Class 5 General Science Notes. Lecture number 8. Unit 8. Structure of the Earth. Short answer questions. Question number 1. What is the outer layer of the Earth? What is its importance in our life? Answer. The outer layer of the Earth is called the crust. It is important in our life because we live on it. This part contains mountains, oceans, rivers, deserts, etc. Question number 2. Which soil is useful for pottery? What are its properties? Answer. Clay is used to making pottery and bricks. Its properties are: clay particles are very small in size, it is soft, sticky and brownish in color. It can hold more water. It is very hard when dry. Question number 3. Which matter is obtained from the decayed plants and insects? Answer. The decayed plants and insects make humus. It makes the soil fertile. That is good for agriculture growing plants. Question number 4. How much of the Earth's surface consists of oceans? Why can't we drink seawater? Answer. 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. 2% is frozen. 97% is the salted water in the ocean. We cannot drink seawater because it has salt. Question number 5. Where is the water found in the form of solid, liquid, and gas, vapor? Answer. In the water cycle on Earth, water is found in solid, liquid, and gas, vapors. Constructed response questions. Question number 1. Label the diagram of the water cycle: evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation. Question number 2. Which soil is used to plaster the village houses? Which property of the soil is useful to do so? Answer. Clay is used to plaster the village houses because this soil is small in size, soft, and sticky. It holds more water. It becomes hard when dry. The wet clay can be molded into any shape. Question number 3. How do the plant's roots and other creatures inside the earth respire? Answer. The texture of silt is smooth and silky. It can hold more water. The moisture present in this soil provides water and minerals to plants. The air present in this soil makes alive plants and other creatures. Question number 4. How do the plant's roots and other creatures inside the earth respire? Answer. Air 25%, water 25%, humus 5%, sand and other minerals 45%. Investigate questions. Question number 1. Flash floods are extremely devastating. How can the excess of floodwater be put to use? Answer. The excess floodwater can be stored in small reservoirs like ponds, dams, water tanks to combat drought. It can also be used for agriculture and farming.